and you're welcome to 360 Excel training. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to deal with leading zeros in Excel. Have you ever typed any number that has zero right in front of it in Excel, and when you press enter, then the whole zeros goes away from the front of the number? This is because in Excel, it logically believes that a number should not be starting with zeros. So as soon as you hit the enter, then the zeros are removed from the number, leaving just the number in the cell or the range, as the case may be. So if you want to leave the zeros right in front of the number, then you need to format it as a text. So what you need to do is to select the cell or the range in which you want the numbers to be, then come to the home tab, then come to the number format, then click on it, then scroll straight down to the text, and you have converted it to a text. So if you should type any zero in front of any number, then it retains it, and it's as simple as that.